YouTube, this is the first video ever I've seen on the World Wide Web. Can you guess what it is? Yep, you probably noticed it right off. So what I went ahead and done is move this headlight up. I do not like personally how the TBR7 and the Hawk 250 has the headlight so low to the fender. I just think overall aesthetically it doesn't look pleasing to the bike. It makes the bike look small on the front end, and I think now it kind of raised the bike up, and honestly it gives it more of that adventure bike look, which that's what I was actually trying to go for. And also too, what's really nice is it's now opened this space up so I can get a fender bag to put in some tools, or even a sleeping bag, a blanket, a throw, you know, whatever it is you want to take on your adventure rides. Most importantly, I'll probably put mine with tools or extra fuel. So it gives this extra concave space within this fender, so you can set your items, you know, on top and then go ahead and strap it down underneath. Also, too, like the description says, I went ahead and added a blue LED running light. And we'll go ahead and put all the links down there in the description. And you can go over to Amazon, right down below, click the link. It'll take you to Amazon where you can purchase those, have them shipped to your door. And shipping should be free if you have Prime. But that's it, guys. Look at that. I am super stoked. And honestly, I haven't seen a video yet out here on the World Wide Web, or even forums too. So I was trying to do what I can to get this bike to change the overall appearance. And I think this is where we're going. So, hey, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Stick around. I have more future videos coming for this bike. Many more opportunities down the road for Ghost Rider. Next week I will be uploading a video on me tuning this carb. It's a PZ30. I went ahead and did the airbox delete, but now we're running lean, you know. I would say mid throttle to wide open throttle. So I'm going to get that adjusted and up those jets so it can run a little rich. Also too, next week, if you stick around and stay tuned, we're going to be upping the gearing here and putting a 17 tooth on the front and possibly going a 40 on the rear. As you guys know, with the research, or if you have the bike already, you might can get 50 miles per hour on stock sprockets without the bike shaking, or, you know, sounding like the motor is going to implode, I guess. So what this is going to do, hopefully give me an extra 10-15 miles per hour. That'd be nice to get up to highway speeds. But that's it in this video. It's short and sweet, guys. I hope you liked that. Overall, free mod, and also too a few dollars for the LED. And I will be making brackets for this. It's raised 3 inches. That's how far up it went. Currently it's zip tied, but I'm gonna pull out the welder and my drill and cut me in a 3-inch bracket for each side, so it'll be on there permanently with the bolts. But that's it, guys. That's all I have. Again, all right, so first you're going to take your Allen key here, and on each side of your headlight you have 2 Allen screws. We're just going to get those removed. I went ahead and did the other one off camera, and go ahead and take those out. And we're going to pull this headlight off here. And as you already see, what I did is I went ahead and wrapped all the wires with black electrical tape, because all the wire boxes here that holds the pins are white. So technically, you know, when you have this lifted up and you're from afar, all you saw was a bunch of white junction boxes. So I think it's a little bit more pleasing. Plus it's going to keep any type of weather, water, getting all over the wires. So this is your running light. What you do is just go ahead and get that pulled out. You don't need a twist. It's just kind of held in there with a rubber grommet. And that's the blue LED here. Let's go ahead and get it turned on. And the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and click that link. It'll take you right over to Amazon. You can have this shipped out. So ultimately, guys, when the level that I'm thinking about having this done is about right here. And let me come around to this side so you can kind of see that lip right here. It'll be rested up on there. So if you come over here again to look at the bolts, Allen screws, we took those out. This was connected to here. So we're right about 3 inches of a lift. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my headlight. So from afar, I think it overall changes the trajectory of this bike and the look. It gives it more of an adventure look. And personally, I didn't like how the top part of the headlight set so low on these TBRs, the Hawks, and the other Chinese bikes. I don't know, just didn't give it a pleasing look. I think overall it's gonna be better. Y'all stick around for a future video because I will take this out for a night ride, and I'll make sure that the headlight here doesn't really change. We'll get it all aimed up so it looks good on the road for safety purposes. So what I want to do is just go ahead and make a bracket here about 3 inches, and I'm going to bolt it here and bolt it here, have that lift on each side, and then we should be good to go. That's it. A couple easy mods. Only cost you a couple dollars for the LED and just a little bit of fabrication here, mock up, and you can go ahead and get a different overall stance on this bike. I really like that. Again, please share, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the dislike, leave me a comment. Also too, OperationRV Store is now open. Right down below is a link to the store and has a whole bunch of different merch and swag for the channel. So go ahead and look through all those, and shipping's pretty quick. Have everything sent right over to your residence as well. And until next time, guys, like always, God bless.